Hello everybody, welcome to the Infinite Cup. This is gonna be the best year of your life, all right? We're gonna make the ultimate detox elixir. We're targeting that mucoid plaque. We're getting rid of the toxicity by alkalizing your body, all right? So, we're gonna start right here. We got half a mason jar filled of reverse osmosis water, distilled water, or fresh live spring water only, okay? No tap water. Please be very conscious about the water that you're drinking. If you don't have fresh lemons, I'm gonna cut up some fresh lemons right now and start juicing. If you don't have access to fresh lemons, then please just use organic lime juice. You can buy this right here. All the links for everything that you see right here is gonna be in the description below. You can get this organic lime juice, Santa Cruz organic, right here if you don't have fresh lemons, okay? So we're gonna take about 4 lemons and put that in our fresh distilled water. Again, if you don't have lemon juice, please use this lime juice organic Santa Cruz brand. It's the best that you can get. Fresh is always best, so please use fresh lemons and limes. The goal here is to get the body alkaline. If you are doing this protocol, it's really important to just have whole foods in your diet, okay? If you're eating fried foods or bread, processed foods, then this is not gonna work. We're targeting that mucoid plaque, all right? All the assimilation happens in the small intestines, and the large intestines especially gets backed up, all right? We have mucoid plaque in our bodies from just the standard American diet. If you're like me, you grew up on normal foods, I grew up in McDonald's and chicken nuggets and French fries and all that stuff, and it's still in me. Anything non-organic, processed, oil, canola oil based is sticking to your organs, sticking to your arteries, and we gotta get it out. So the most important thing that you can do is get on the astringent fruits. We need to break down that mucoid plaque, break down all of those stagnant lymph nodes, really get things moving in the body, all right? We need to speed up the blood, speed up the lymphatic system. Everything that you do is going to affect every aspect of your life. That's the great thing. When you go on this cleanse, when you start getting the GI tract cleansed properly, you get the colon cleaned out from all this fiber, we're gonna draw the toxins out with activated charcoal. We're gonna use some diatomaceous earth, some bentonite clay. We're gonna get the minerals from our premier research labs, Himalayan salt. Again, all the links are gonna be in the description below. It's one of those things, guys, you can't cheap out on this. You gotta commit. I did this protocol and it really, really works. I do it every single year, and I really encourage everybody to do this at least once a year. It's 2019, it's time to create the life you love, all right? Serotonin is built in the gut. We need to have that quality of life we're after by having a clean temple, by having a clean body, okay? So we got our fresh juice. Again, if you don't have fresh lemons, please get this organic lime juice. I'm gonna take the lemons right here, straight in the water, like so. All right, now it's time for the minerals. Again, I know this stuff is a little expensive, but it's worth it, okay? This is Premier Research Lab salt and Celtic sea salt. This is not the same, all right? I'm just gonna read directly from the label. Delivers the quantum nutrient effect tested on all 4 biofield polarities, all right? This is untreated. There's no anti-clumping agents, anything like that. This is the good stuff, all right? This is how you get minerals in your body. The pancreas can produce enzymes, but we need minerals from an outside source. So just a little bit of that right in the drink. Now it's time to add the chia seeds. This is how we're gonna clean to that mucoid plaque and really scrape the walls of the intestines, okay? Again, really mindful about ingredients, okay? We wanna create that consciousness by having conscious ingredients in your body, okay? This isn't just anything. This isn't just any Himalayan salt. This isn't just any activated charcoal. I've done the work and I've put in the time to do all the experimenting on myself to show you guys what works, okay? So we wanna use chia seeds. We wanna use these because this is how we get that mucoid plaque out, okay? We got 3 big tablespoons going in, and we wanna wait about 15 minutes for this to absorb the water and get that silica gel going, okay? This is really important because we were gonna create a little bit of a sludge. It's kind of like a silica, okay? And that's gonna bind with the toxins and the mucoid plaque and help draw it out and eliminate it effectively, okay? Next is this right here. This is activated charcoal. This is gonna really get those toxins out on a cellular level, okay? Just a tiny bit. This is powerful stuff. If you're new to detox, if you're not into juicing, or you haven't had smoothies before and you're just going from the standard American diet to this, please do not add the activated charcoal. This is powerful, all right? We're gonna add that right there. Last ingredient is this bentonite clay. This is a living clay. This is alive. Just like the water, just like our bodies, we need living foods, okay? And people really just don't understand the power of the microbiome and really just think about this on a microscopic level. So this binds with heavy metals. This binds with anything. So it's gonna draw out what is in our intestinal tract. So if you don't use organic materials, you're gonna bind with metal too. So that's why we're using a coconut spoon or wood spoons. Please do not use stainless steel where you're using glass and wood, organic materials only. Again guys, I do everything in bulk too. I'm going zero waste. It's really important to be conscious of the environment. So I have this glass jar right here. I buy everything in bulk usually and I just throw it in glass jars because I do this a lot, right? This is a detox lifestyle. This isn't something you just stop. You know, this isn't something you just do once. If you just drink this one time, it's probably gonna bring you more discomfort. You need to stick with this, okay? I'm on day 3 myself, and I'm gonna do this for the full 30 days and commit. You guys need to commit too, otherwise you're not gonna experience the benefits, all right? So we have the activated charcoal. Now we're gonna put a tablespoon of the bentonite clay in there, and we are almost done. Now, this is not gonna taste the best. So if your palate isn't accustomed to this alkalinity, right? If you're not used to juicing, if you're not used to having smoothies or celery juice, then just go ahead and add a little bit of maple syrup to this. This is just gonna make it so you can actually get it down. You don't wanna be like plugging your nose while you drink this. You wanna enjoy this. You wanna enjoy detox. This is gonna be a protocol that you can do for the rest of your life, okay? That mucoid plaque is gonna build up, all right? This is something you gotta do time and time again. So, I don't need the maple syrup, I'm not gonna add it. I'm just gonna stir this up and we're gonna wait about 15 minutes, okay? 15 minutes. Again, those chia seeds need to congeal. They need to get that silica form, and we are gonna consume this after everything is done. So that looks good right there. This is the full protocol, meaning we're gonna do this once in the morning and once at night before you go to bed. Target your entire digestive tract by consuming this detox elixir, okay? So many people are backed up and they have mental clarity issues, low energy, and it's because of your intestines and the colon. There are plenty, I mean, there are just so many signals, so many messages coming from the intestines to the brain. There are nerve endings, there are nerves that are sending messages to our brain and they're not firing, okay? And it's because we're backed up. John Wayne, all these celebrities guys have 30 to 50 pounds of undigested fecal matter in the colon. Now think about that. Think about someone, born with blue eyes and they die with brown eyes, right? That's because they're literally filled with think about it, right? So this is how we get it out. This is how you target that mucoid plaque, target your GI tract, and get your life back, all right? Join me, 30 days of detox. This is gonna be the best year of your life. Mm.